Silence is not an option. Because in silence, there can be no progress, discourse, dissent. And so today is what is asked of us. That today we say something. Because we are born not just to exist, but to express, to create, to speak of the hearts and minds of an entire people who will tell of our truths and stories, who will paint our identities in color, to be a voice when others hold none of their own. Silence is not an option. Because what waits tomorrow is a blank canvas, undecided and unlimited. So let the work begin, because this is art, and it's for those with something to say.